We will show you how to connect PP-R or PP-RCT pipes by electrofusion. This technology is mainly used in hard-to-reach places, connecting prefabricated structures, or when making the final joint in a system. We will need an electrofusion machine, a fixing device, a correctly sized pipe scraper to remove the oxidized layer, a circular or scissor-type pipe cutter, degreaser, tape measure, and marker pen. To create a quality connection, it's necessary to follow this work procedure. We cut the pipe at 90 degrees. We mark the insertion depth of the pipe, which is half the length of the electrofusion fitting. Now, we remove the oxidized layer of approximately 0.2 mm from the surface of the pipe on both ends of the pipe to be joined. There are several ways to achieve this. We can use drill cutters up to a diameter of 63 mm. For small diameters, when welding only 1 or 2 electric fittings, we can also use a manual scraper. For large diameters, it's optimal to use a rotary scraper. Degrease the scraped part of the pipe with a special degreaser for plastic pipes. Use a marker to mark the depth of insertion into the electrical fitting at both ends of the pipe. Remove the electrofusion coupler from the package and insert the pipe axially up to the mark. From the other side of the fitting, we insert the similarly machined pipes up to the mark. We clamp the pipe in the fixing device so that the pipe cannot be pushed out of the electric fitting during jointing. Now we can move on to the actual fusion process. We will connect the connectors from the fusion machine to the fitting. We can enter the fusion parameters according to the type of machine by either manual setting or by using a barcode reader. The set values will appear on the display. We start the process by pressing the Start button. The electrofusion fitting is equipped with indicators for welding control on the surface. Due to thermal expansion during fusion, part of the melted material penetrates through these indicators to the surface. It's an optical check that welding has taken place. The fusion machine will stop welding by itself. We can now disconnect the connectors from the electrical fitting, but we will leave the pipe still clamped in the fixing device for the specified time. After complete cooling, a homogeneous joint with very high strength is formed. With this technology, it is only possible to make connections at ambient temperatures higher than -5 degrees Celsius. In the event of an interruption of the current supply during welding, it's possible to refuse the fitting, but only after it has completely cooled down. Filling the pipe with water is possible 1 hour after the last connection is made.